What happens in the first 30 days of a manufacturing employee's journey often determines whether they stay engaged or start looking for the exit. And that's the real question HR leaders must ask themselves today. Does your onboarding build confidence on the floor, or does it create confusion under pressure? In manufacturing, onboarding is far more than paperwork and orientation videos. It's a high-stakes process where safety, productivity, compliance, and culture all collide at once. New hires are expected to learn equipment, follow strict safety protocols, adapt to shift schedules, and integrate into fast-moving teams, often with little room for error. When onboarding is rushed, manual, or inconsistent, employees feel overwhelmed, managers repeat instructions, and HR teams struggle to maintain standardization across plants, roles, and locations. Effective manufacturing onboarding is structured, role-specific, and time-bound, combining safety training, job readiness, clear communication, and early connection to the organization's culture. It matters because strong onboarding directly reduces early attrition, improves time to productivity, minimizes safety incidents, and builds trust from day one. This is where a more streamlined, digital approach can quietly change everything by guiding employees step by step, automating tasks, and ensuring every requirement is completed without adding complexity. HR Cloud supports manufacturing teams by centralizing onboarding, automating workflows, and delivering consistent experiences for deskless workers, field engineers, and office staff alike, all while giving HR leaders better visibility and control without feeling heavy or sales-driven. A great example is MG Motor Europe, which needed to modernize manual HR processes as it scaled its automotive operations. By digitizing onboarding and automating task assignments, the HR team improved efficiency, enabled mobile access for field engineers, reduced administrative overhead, and created a smoother experience for both employees and managers. For HR teams, the payoff is clear: less repetition, fewer errors, faster ramp-up, and employees who feel supported instead of stressed. So, as you think about your own manufacturing workforce, ask yourself this: is your onboarding designed to simply check boxes, or to truly retain the people who keep your operations running? Scan the QR code to see how HR Cloud can streamline your manufacturing onboarding and boost retention.